So if you want to generate a design, we have two options. One is we can press the generate button over here, or we can press the step forward button over here. So if we press the generate button, it will generate designs continuously, and then we have to press the pause button to stop the generation. But with the step forward button, it generates one design at a time. So we can click it once and it will generate one design. Let's say if I want to go back to the previous design option, I can use the step back button. If I press this, it goes back to the previous design, but it only stores the past 5 design values. So if we step back too many times, it will give us an error saying step back limit reached.